I wanted to go through one quick additional note regarding the use of the IRR function in Excel to get the effective or yield or market rate of interest. And this is a sort of a warning regarding how your Excel cells are formatted. So let's say, for example, that we've got a bond issue. It's got a face value of $100,000. It's got a coupon of 10%. It's got a let's say it's a 15-year term. And it sells for, let's say it sells for $99,000. Okay, so we go ahead and set up our IRR function. This is going to go out 15 years. And again, what are our cash flows? At time 0, when the bonds are issued, we get $99,000 coming in. Our cash flows going out 10% per year. And then in the 15th year, in addition to paying out the interest, we also pay back the principal of $100,000. So here is a picture of our cash flows. Move that up a little bit, a little better visual distinction. Here's a picture of our cash flows. And again, it doesn't matter whether you make this positive and these negative, or make this negative and these positive. What matters is that one is going one direction, the others are going the other direction. Okay, so let's go ahead and use our IRR function. Now, before we do that, these bonds are selling at a discount. That means they're not paying enough interest. The coupon rate is 10%. That apparently is not enough to get people to pay face value, so we should expect the market or the effective rate of interest to be greater than 10%, 10 and a quarter, 10 and a half, 10 and 3/4, what have you. Let's go ahead and do our IRR function. And look at that, it comes in at 10%. And again, this is where the danger comes in with your formatting. This cell, for whatever reason, I guess I just opened this spreadsheet tab. This cell is formatted to go out to 2 decimal places. So obviously the coupon or the effective rate of interest, the IRR, is not 10%. If it was 10%, the bonds would sell for exactly face value. So you need to go in and do a few decimal places here. So you see that the market or effective rate of interest is in fact 10.13247%. So when you're going ahead and using this IRR function in any problems you might do, be sure to double check the formatting on that IRR result cell and make sure you don't simply take the answer if it's 10% or 5% or 6% or what have you. Make sure you don't take it to face value. Make sure it's not simply rounded off to the nearest whole decimal point.